Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we are going to learn about articles and their correct usage in sentences. Articles help us identify and describe nouns clearly, and they play a vital role in making our sentences grammatically correct. Articles are determiners that identify and describe nouns. There are three main articles: a, an, and the. Examples: the flower is white. I broke a glass from the set. There is an hour left for the event to begin. Types of articles. Articles can be classified into two types: definite and indefinite. Definite article. The definite article the is used to refer to a specific noun without describing it. Example: the documentary on child labor was fantastic. When to use the? While referring to countable or uncountable nouns. While referring to singular and plural nouns. While referring to proper nouns such as oceans, books, people, mountains. While referring to adjectives in the superlative degree. While referring to the noun or subject in the sentence. While referring to directions. While referring to ordiners like next, second, further. While referring to common nouns such as public places or things. While referring to idiomatic expressions. While referring to a unit of measurement. Indefinite article. The indefinite articles a and an are used to identify only singular common nouns in a sentence. For example, there was a car in the parking lot. When to use a? While referring to a proper noun used as a common noun. While referring to quantity of a noun. While referring to words with consonant sounds. While referring to idiomatic expressions. When to use an? While referring to words with vowel sounds. While referring to abbreviations that begin with consonants but are pronounced with vowel sounds such as MP, MD, etc. Where not to use a or an. While referring to general proper nouns. While referring to plural common nouns. While referring to singular common nouns that act as a class or race. While referring to abstract nouns. While referring to material noun. While referring to determiners placed before a noun. While referring to adjectives that are not used with a noun. When not to use the. While referring to proper nouns. While referring to languages around the globe. While referring to spots. While referring to abstract nouns. While referring to body parts. While referring to common nouns used in idioms. While referring to institutions. While referring to family relationships of the subject in the sentence. While referring to general plural common nouns. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Try solving the article questions below. Now check the answers. Excellent progress. Keep revising articles daily to build confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons.